How to log in TikTok with Instagram. So if you want to log into your TikTok with Instagram, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And after opening your profile, tap on edit profile, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you will have Instagram option on your social side, and you can tap on add Instagram. And now here you have to enter your phone number, username or email, and then your password of your Instagram. And after entering that, you can tap on login and tap on save info, and now tap on allow, and that's it. Now you can log into your TikTok with your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.